Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Online Cake Store. And this project I had developed in Node.js, Angular, and MySQL. Node.js version I am using is Node version 14, Angular version is 13, and MySQL version is 5.6. For port side, I am using port 3000 for running the Node.js application, port 4200 for the Angular application, and port 3306 for the MySQL application. For ID, I have used Visual Studio Code for writing the code of Angular and Node.js both, right? And this is a web application, so we have used HTML and CSS along with Angular for developing this project. So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project online cake store, right? So let's start with the functionality. Go through that. What are the features? What are the functionalities available inside this project, right? So once you run this project on port 4200 localhost colon port 4200, you will get this home page. One more thing I want to tell you also, this is a mini project which has only and only customer operations, right? If you want to admin operation, then you can contact us. We will add admin operation also in it, right? So customer can perform certain operations which I am going to demonstrate to you. So this is the home page. You can see this is the home page, and these are the some categories coming on the home page, and this all categories are coming from the database, right, through the Node.js API. If you click on any of the category, then you will get the details of that category, right? It means that the product belongs to that category. If you click on details, then you will be able to see the details of that product, right? So this is the details, right? If you click on add to cart, then you will be able to add the item into the cart, but there is a restrictions. You can't buy any product without login, right? So login is mandatory for buying any of the product. So this is the home page which I already explained to. This is about this static page, there is nothing dynamic on it. And if you want to change the content, then you can change from the about component, right? This is a categories. This all categories are coming from the database. This is a dynamic page, and as I told you earlier, if you want to see the product belongs to that category, just click on that category. You will be able to see the details, right? So next one is a customer login. From here customer can log in and customer can buy the cakes, order the cakes. This is the registration button, right? This is a customer registration from where customer can register and customer can create his user ID and password, right? And using that user ID and password, customer can log in inside the system and customer can order the cake, right? This is a contact us information. This is a static contact us information. I am not saving the value of this contact us information anywhere into the database, right? And this is the feedback page, and this is also a static feedback page, and we are not saving the value of this feedback page anywhere into the database, right? Now I am going to log in, right? So once you click on the customer login, the user ID is amit@gmail.com and the password is test. Once you log in, you will get this home page, right? Then this is the dashboard phase from where customer can see his order details. You can see there is a my orders. Once you click on the my orders, you will be able to see all of the orders, right? Which order history, right? Which you have ordered earlier, right? If you click on any of the icon, you will be able to see all of the previous order, right? So you can see order details. So order ID is this, and this is the date which you have ordered, the total order amount, and each and everything you will be able to see here, right? Now I am going to order some of the cake, right? So a glass, right? I am going to details add it to the cart. So I have added one item into the cart. Continue adding. I want a cake also details and add to cart. So I have added two item into the cart, right? Now I am going to add one more cake. This one details add to cart. So I have added three items into the cart, but I don't want this item, right? Then you can click the delete button and that item will be deleted from your cart. Once you click on the checkout, this will ask for card payment details, right? So this is a dummy payment gateway. No need of entering any credit card details, right? You can enter whatever you want, right? We are not validating it. Even we are not making a type of external hit for making the payment, right? So once you fill up the form, just click on the make payment. Once you click on the make payment, your order ID will be generated. As you can see, this is the order ID 11, right? And total amount you paid is 200 rupees, right? You can see this into the my order history. You can see this is the your order history details, right? The last part is the logout. So once you click on the logout, all of the session will be destroyed and this menu will not be displayed. Some of the menu option will not be displayed because it's rendering according to the session. It's a session driven menu, right? So let me show you. You can see the some of the my orders or my administration is not displaying because system checks, okay, customer has not logged in, but if customer logins, these menus are displaying, right? So this is the overall functionalities what we have developed inside this project online cake store. As I told you earlier, this is a mini project developed in Node.js, Angular, and MySQL. But if you need any enhancement, any extra feature, any new modules inside this project, just put it into the comments. We will incorporate the changes. We will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.